very hasi, my perfect selfie.
I love taking selfies with all my friends or with family. I think it's also it's a moment that you can remember for life. Whether you're with friends or whether you're at a party, whether you're anywhere, you can just remember that moment.
हम एक सेल्फी फ़ोन लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. सेल्फी हैज़ बिकम अ वेरी की वर्ड. हर आदमी आज सेल्फी के बारे में बात करता है. ये सेल्फी फ़ोन बहुत ही यूनिक फ़ोन है. इसमें 3 की फीचर्स हैं. एक इसके पीछे बैक सेंसर है. बैक सेंसर के चलते आप जब भी सेल्फी खींच रहे हैं तो फ़ोन गिरने का चांस नहीं रहता है और ब्लर भी नहीं होंगे इमेजेस. उसके अलावा 88 डिग्रीज़ वाइड एंगल है. जो नॉर्मल फ़ोन्स होते हैं उसमें 45 to 60 डिग्रीज़ रहता है. और प्लस जो फ्रंट कैमरा है वो 8 मेगापिक्सल बहुत ही हाई रेजोल्यूशन कैमरा है. इसके अलावा भी इसके अंदर बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं जैसे NFC है, OTG है, जेस्चर रिकग्निशन है. सो वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ फ़ोन वी आर लॉन्चिंग.
Actually, Kareena एक fashion icon है and every girl wants to copy her. That's why we have chosen Kareena as the brand ambassador for Eyeball Selfie phone.
Here we go.
And I have to feel like this, not like this.
Here we go.
And action.
I'm very hasi, my perfect selfie.
Well, actually, I love my phones, so that's really important to me.
You, me, everybody. My perfect selfie.
This point.
All the time. I'm very hasi, my perfect selfie.
You see, it's a complete green screen, so it has a lot of technology and a lot of CG work in it. So the correct timing, and the appropriate expression and all those things is very important because you need to match. There are a lot of animated characters around. Then there are 4 backdrops. We've been shifting from each background to another background very seamlessly without knowing there has been a cut. And the costume also changes. It's been pre-planned very well in such a way that you don't feel that there's a different ad. So everything flows at one go.
When it comes to Eyeball and me, we always shoot great ads. They keep innovating themselves all the time, with each and every of their products. I would not like to just say the mobile phones or, just the slide. I think all their products are in one word. I think it's quite amazing. Every year there's, whether it's speakers, whether it's headphones, with different colors, everything, So I'm actually quite proud to be a part of the Eyeball family.
You, me, everybody. My perfect selfie. Bal, bal, hat, bal. All the time. I'm very hasi.
Today, a mobile phone is all about, connecting with people, whether it's emails, whether it's messaging, whether it's, phone calls. It's just amazing. I'm always like, songs I like to listen, on my phone. That's the most easiest thing. But that's the thing that I actually enjoy doing the most.
Here we go.
Carry your PC as it is.
Here we go. Here we go.
ये जो हम बिज़नेस टैबलेट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं ये इंटेल और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के साथ में बहुत ही हमारी स्ट्रैटेजिक रिलेशनशिप है. हर बिजनेसमैन विंडोज़ प्लेटफॉर्म प्लस MS ऑफिस दैट इज़ वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट वगैरह पे बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली काम करता है. ये जो टैबलेट PC हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं इसके बाद में हर बिजनेसमैन के लिए बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट हो जाएगा. जो भी चीज़ वो एक लैपटॉप पे कर सकता है हर चीज़ इस बिज़नेस टैबलेट PC के ऊपर हो सकती है. सो इट विल बी अ वेरी बिग बूम टू द बिज़नेस सेगमेंट. ये जो हमारा पहला लॉन्च है ये खाली 17,000 रुपये के अंदर एंड यूज़र को मिलेगा. सो इट becomes a great value for money for every user.
Well, I think it's going to be very useful. Obviously you can carry your office with you, which means that all your work, wherever you are, you can do it on your Eyeball slide. And I think it has, more power than, even your regular PC. As much power. I take the Eyeball slide and I can always, read my scripts on it also.
Here we go. Here we go.
Terrific performance. Eyeball.